This past weekend, I showed at a National Range Cow Horse Association show in West Monroe, Louisiana, scoring a 284 on the first day and a 285 on the second day. Here are a few highlights of those two runs. If you'd like to watch the full runs and a breakdown kind of critiquing one of the runs, you can watch that on my Patreon page. I want to thank everybody for coming and watching my show and watching through the live feed and engaging with me on Patreon in the comment section. I had a really good weekend, and now we're qualified for the National Range Cow Horse Celebration of Champions in February, and hope to see you there. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.